My name is Adeposi Adeogun, and I'm a PhD candidate at the Department of Urban Studies and Planning at MIT, and I am also trained as an architect and urban designer, and I'm so honored really to be the 2026-2027 Graduate Student Fellow of the J-WAFS. So this year, my research is focusing on how everyday people navigate this scarcity, really, this void where the state fails to provide services, and the collapse really of the modern infrastructural ideal. And I'm specifically looking at community development associations, or known as CDAs, in Lagos, Nigeria. CDAs are these semi-formal units of governance. They're hyper-local, and they operate at the grassroots levels for everyday citizens.
Because these localized systems are absolutely vital for the safe delivery of community health, we need to understand exactly how they function, and so mapping them is essential. But we had a challenge. It's an extremely massive network, and so our field team had to travel across the entire city, sometimes navigating waterways and long distances, tracking them directly. And so to do this,
we went to every ward in the city, and within each ward we found the water points in the wards, and at that water point, literally following the water, asking people, where is the CDA responsible for this water? And that is how we were able to trace and find about 300 of the 4,000 plus CDAs that are distributed across the city. And what is really exciting is that our initial findings are actually challenging what many people consider to be conventional wisdom when it comes to thinking about the resilience of the city. We're finding that the physical infrastructure does indeed break down frequently across most of these CDAs, but we're finding that it is those that actually have strong internal practices or administrative practices, or like having a written ledger, a bank statement, some sort of organizational hierarchy, that actually do have the lowest downtime, so they're able to restart operations or service delivery when there is a shock to the system. And I would say a broader goal beyond this research is to shift really how international finance and local governments think about investment in the water sector. I think by understanding the social architectures and the ways these communities provide water or ensure that water continues flowing to communities and households, we can design better policies. Yes, we can design even better infrastructures, but even more so, I think we can build stronger communities. Thank you.